was so upset they brought TikTok back, and then I found out Donald Trump was part of the whole reason it happened. Then I noticed they changed the Gulf of Mexico to the Gulf of America, and I couldn't understand it. Poor little Mexicans. Then I figured out they're not letting people into our country that are criminals, and I couldn't understand why. Then these suckers turned around and they try to put labels on us. They call us male and female. And I wanted to identify as a lesbian. You have to understand me. I have to stand for the right of people's freedoms. Then these little billionaire guy got together a whole bunch of little geniuses, and they found out the corruption that was going on, and I had nothing I could do to try to tell them that I was 300-year-old lesbian.